Welcome to my channel Maths by Meenakshi. Today I am teaching in this video chapter 3 of class 9th NCERT Math, and chapter name is Coordinate Geometry. Coordinate Geometry, I am telling you about firstly introduction of this chapter, Coordinate Geometry. As you have studied in previous classes, number line. What is number line? Main point is origin, and right side of the origin is positive numbers and left hand side of origin is negative numbers. But now we will learn in this chapter perpendicular lines like this way. These perpendicular lines now intersect at origin. See in the graph how these lines are perpendicular to each other. Now this line is y-axis and this horizontal line is called x-axis, and this plane is called Cartesian plane. What is this? Cartesian plane. And if we show only negative points and positive point on the line, that is number line. And if we are showing two lines which are perpendicular to each other, then this is called Cartesian plane. This Cartesian plane is divided into four parts. That four parts are called quadrant. This is quadrant first, and this is quadrant second, and this is quadrant third, and this is quadrant fourth. Position will be same. Quadrant first will be written here, not here. This is position for first quadrant, and this is for second quadrant, this is for third quadrant, and this is for fourth quadrant. We cannot change these positions of the quadrants. And see what is the question here. Now horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis, and on the upward of the origin, that is y-axis means y positive points, and on the downside that are negative points of y. Now this x-axis, right hand side positive points and left hand side of the origin is negative points. And how we will show these points in the Cartesian plane? Now Cartesian plane, in this plane we will show these points as x, y, means x coordinate, y coordinate. X coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. So firstly you have to introduce about this Cartesian plane. If you know this very well, then you can solve the questions of this chapter very easily. This is very easy chapter and very interesting chapter. So I am starting now exercise 3.2, because in exercise 3.1 there is a activity that don't need to do. So we will do here exercise 3.2 for Cartesian plane. Now first question of exercise 3.2 is write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the question here? What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? As I have told you before, what are the horizontal and vertical lines? So you can see in this plane, horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. So you can write here horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. This is the answer of first part. Second part is what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? As I have told you, in Cartesian plane, these parts are called quadrants. Quadrant means 1/4 of the Cartesian plane. There are four parts, and one quadrant means 1/4 of the Cartesian plane. So name of each part of the plane is quadrant. That is 1/4 part. And third part is write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Now in Cartesian plane, once again you can see, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. You can see very easily here this point, and this point is called origin, and coordinates of origin are always 0, 0. Here x is also 0 and y is also 0. So first question is completed. Second question of this exercise is, see the given figure and write the following. And this figure is given in your book. That is question. This figure is already drawn. So from this figure you have to recognize the points of B, C, and you have to write the answers of these questions. And first part is the coordinates of B. And I have told you coordinates are written in the form of x, y. Means first coordinate should be x and second coordinate always it will be y. Now we have to write the coordinates of B. Here B, you can see in the Cartesian plane where is B, where lies here. And you can see here x-axis, means x coordinate is -5 and y coordinate is 2. तो आंसर क्या आएगा इसका? -5, 2. X is -5 and y is 2. So coordinate of C are, coordinate of C, x is 5, +5, and y is -5. So answer will be 5 -5. And now coordinates are given -3, -5. X is -3. X is -3 and y is -5. Where it is? Here. X is -3 and y is -5. So these coordinates lie on the point E. Which point identify here? Point E. 2 - 4. X2 y -4. That point is our G. X2 y -4. This point name is G. The abscissa of the point D. D के coordinates हैं x6 और y2. x6 है x एक्सिस पे और y एक्सिस पे 2y. Abscissa means x coordinate. X coordinate of the point D is, that is 5. Sorry, it is 6 because coordinates of D are here 6, 2. X coordinate means abscissa. And now sixth part is the ordinate of the point H. See where is H coordinate in the Cartesian plane. Coordinates of H are x -5, that is here, and y is -3. So we have to write here ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. So y coordinate of H is -3. Answer will be -3. Seventh part is the coordinates of the point L. Where L here y axis means only y coordinate is given and x coordinate is not given. When point lies on y axis, then x always 0 and y is here 5. So coordinates are 0, 5. Now eighth part is the coordinates of the point M, that are M lies on x axis. So x axis means x is -3, y is always 0 on x axis and x is always 0 on y axis, बिकॉज y एक्सिस पे हमारे पास x की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती, y की होती है सिर्फ, x एक्सिस पे हमारे पास सिर्फ x की वैल्यू होती है, y की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती, वो 0 ही होती है। तो इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स आएंगे -3 0। एंड विद दिस पार्ट एट्थ पार्ट the second question is completed, mean exercise 3.2 is completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like and share also these videos. Thanks for watching.